Housing affordability is one of New Zealand's most significant issues. At BRANZ, we work closely with the sector to better understand the drivers of housing affordability and to deliver practical, evidence-based solutions.
So at BRANZ, we work really closely with the sector and consistently hear that consenting is one of the biggest challenges as it contributes to so many delays and increased costs. To address this, we have invested in multiple projects both within BRANZ and collaboration with partners across the country to really improve and streamline the process. So in partnership with the University of Auckland, we've analysed thousands of applications to pinpoint areas where additional tools and training were needed. As part of our solutions, we've identified technology-driven tools that improve efficiency while still maintaining the high standards of quality. A great example of this is Artisan. It's a visual inspection app which is designed to transform the building inspection process. The tool allows inspectors to work remotely, respond faster and save time with consents. The app also reduces liability risk for councils by maintaining a permanent record of code compliance and workmanship at every stage of building.
When you think about building a house, it's a science, but it's becoming more and more scientific over time would probably be my best description. Artisan comes along and provides us with the ability to check that applied science. So what's on the plans, what's been developed, and model some of that work in terms of how that house is performing. Our Genian team is really moving more and more quite rapidly into the use of Artisan, as much as anything to keep our projects moving. If we can take time out of construction, we're speeding up construction time, we're handing over houses faster, we're giving the territorial authorities better records of works, and we are providing enduring documentation around the quality of those homes over time. So we're seeing about 6 weeks of time saved on an average site.
Our building inspection team do about 200,000 plus inspections every year. Sometimes in the peak periods we're doing 1,000 a day across the city. So we've been using Artisan since the beginning, and there are great benefits with Artisan. We noticed when builders started using it that a lot of them were learning to become inspectors themselves in terms of upskilling, building code knowledge while they're doing the shot lists, and that helped quality almost overnight. I want to advocate for that efficiency gain that you can get from using Artisan, and when you've got the ability to make those small refinements, whether it's in the regulatory part of it or the construction phase itself, that's only going to help affordability in the long run.
BRANZ remains committed to working with the sector using our research to drive practical solutions that improve affordability and increase productivity. The sector is complex and there is no silver bullet. To make meaningful progress, we need to focus on improving efficiency and productivity at every stage of the building process. Our focus is on delivering practical and accessible tools that do just that. And ultimately, that means more affordable, quality homes for New Zealanders.